guys, no joking. 2 down, 1 to go. Look at this. So freaking tasty. Too good, guys. Oh my god. You can make these for your friends. So I'm using soy sauce. This is the premium light. I have got aroma. This is aroma. And olive oil, garlic and ginger. Also guys, I've got my spring onion and onions as well. So let's start. I can't cook in a dead kitchen guys, so that's why I'm cleaning or washing these dishes first before we start to make a beautiful wrap. My mouth is watering. Can't wait to try this recipe. I'm sure it'll be very delicious. Gonna join me, exercise every day. I'm going to be uploading videos exercising. I used to be so fit guys. I'll put some pictures for you to guys to have a look. So we're going to put a bit of olive oil in here. We don't want much. Like we said, we are going to regain our body back. So we don't want a lot of oil in our food. With that, we have got a mince in here. Just gonna put that here. Like I said, it's been seasoned with the lemon, garlic, ginger already overnight.
Simmer. Oh, my mouth is watering, guys. Absolutely smells fantastic. Okay, let that do its own thing. Then we're going to add the onions, garlic, and spring onions, and the rest of it as we go along. Let's dice the onions.
Dicing these onions. Smells beautiful guys, smells amazing, and I'm sure it will taste just amazing as well. Onions diced and spring onions, and I've got more garlic here, so I'm going to crush all this garlic in there and add the onions and let that cook. Okay. So now we're going to add the sliced mushrooms. Like I said, I'm making my own with my own twist, okay? So you can add whatever you want. If you want to add sweet corns, you can go ahead and, you know, use the sweet corn for these recipes. It's according to your liking, okay? So just putting that in there because I want the flavors of the minced beef. And I have to remind guys, this is a lean beef, okay? Like I said, I'm watching my weight, regaining my body back. It's time to add the sauce. Okay. Let's add a beautiful, look how it's looking. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. I'm holding one hand, so I'll be back, guys, to show you guys how everything's coming together. Yes, guys, mine is not that brown in color because I don't have that, is it Ocean sauce? But the taste is out of this world, guys. That's all I care. That's all I can say. The taste is incredible. The sauce, the flavors, just delicious, guys. Oh, I'm gonna wrap my lettuce and I'm gonna enjoy and I'll let you know how much I loved it. Okay. All done, guys. A very easy recipe. If you are trying to watch your weight, I think is an amazing recipe to eat during the day or sort of towards the evening as well. It's light enough, it has got protein. It's up to you if you choose to use chicken or minced beef, like in my case. All I can say, the smell is out of this world and the taste is incredible. You should try. This is how it's looking. I garnished with guys, some chilies. And guys, let's smash. Look at this. Two down, you know. Two down. Tasty. Oh. Too good, guys. Oh my god, it's good. Oh my god, it's unruffling. Try at home. Try for your mama. Try for your man. He'll marry you all. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.